This intense love magnet meditation will make anyone love you completely. You will be their only choice. You will become all that they ever want in life. After listening to this, they will want you right now. Now let's begin. I am the person of their wildest dreams. They live their dream life with me. I am their only choice. I am their only option. I am all they want right now. They are determined to be with me. They are motivated to build a life with me. They have healed and let go of our past. I am everything that they want. I am their dream come true. I am their entire world. They constantly tell me that I am irreplaceable. I am one of a kind. I am irreplaceable. I am chosen. I am wanted. They can't live without me. They love me unconditionally. They want a healthy relationship with me. They will always choose me over anyone else. They can only find happiness with me. I am irreplaceable. I am chosen. I am wanted. They only want me. They want a perfect, healthy relationship with me. They only remember good memories of us. They want me in their life forever. They prioritize me more than anything else. They care about me more than anything else. The universe says it's done. Type, they are determined to be with me to affirm this meditation. Listen to this as many times as you can. The more you listen to it, the swifter the results. And if you want your desired person obsessed with you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really easy to get super fast results. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. I have now manifested love for thousands of clients, and I can manifest your specific person's love for you today. I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy listening to this next meditation.